Hello guys, welcome to my video again. In this video we will be talking about the rental charge of postpaid users of Nepal Telecom operator. So for this, first what you need to do is go to Play Store, dial Nepal Telecom and download the Nepal Telecom app. It will be very easy for you. Once you do, open it. For a postpaid user of Nepal Telecom, you need to know few things. That is the bill cycle, that is 1 month bill cycle starts from the English 15th of every month, meaning January 15, February 15, March 15 and so on. So it is not according to Nepali date, rather it is English date. So the bill cycle is from 15th of one month to the 14th of another month. For example, 15th of January to 14th of February. So that is your 1 month bill cycle. That is how the billing is done. So the billing of postpaid number is done on the 15th of 15th English 15th of every month at night time. So when you woke up on the 16th morning, you will see your balance probably been reduced. You dial star double 400 hash and dial, and you can see information here: available credit, due amount. So this due amount means the amount you have used up, means you have already, doesn't mean that you need to pay it again. You have already paid this due amount, means you have used the services worth 236.77 in my case during my this bill cycle, meaning between 15th of one month to 14th of next month. I have used 236.77. The more you use your credit, it will go and add up to your due amount, means you have already paid up, you don't need to pay it again. After bill cycle, your due amount would be 0. For some it may not be 0 because the bill cycle is from 15th to the next month of 14th. If you have used again on the 15th, so that one day due amount will be displaying here. For most users who haven't used any balance for making call, using data or anything, on the 15th their due amount would be 0. But you have made some calls or buy some package, then your due amount would be according to your voice calls or data used up on the 15th. So remember, the bill cycle is from 15th of one month to the 14th of another month of an English date. Now I will open my Namaste Pay app, Namaste app, NTC app. One thing you need to understand is, if you are not a CUC user, if you are a normal postpaid user, you need to pay a minimum of 373 per month per bill cycle, whether you use it or you don't use it. So how to make a better use of that to 373? Either you can make a voice call or data or run your use mobile data during the one bill cycle, that is 15th of one month to 14th of next month, directly from your main balance. That is, I am not going to buy any data pack or voice pack, I will use directly from my main balance. If you use at least 373, you don't need to pay extra charges for your rental, postpaid rental. But suppose, let's say you used from 15th of January to 14th of February, you used only 300 from your main balance without buying any data pack. So in this case, what